So this device here is called the iMobile Plus. The first thing that I want to say about it is this is a non-fundable device, meaning you cannot get this via insurance right now or for the foreseeable future. As you can see, there is a Microsoft Surface tablet attached to an eye tracker that's attached to a bracket. And this is all one piece, so I just want to show that. You can see that the bracket and the eyepiece are connected. Okay. What's nice about this bracket, though, this iMobile Plus bracket, is that it's self-powered. So what that means is you can charge just the bracket itself, and what it does is it helps with the eye tracking because the eye tracker needs some power. And so when the bracket is powered, that means that there's less taking from the surface. Right? So when this is fully powered, when the bracket's fully powered, then it's not drawing from the surface. When it loses power, it will pull from the surface, so your battery life in your surface will get worse, will go down quicker. But so I think that's one really nice thing. The other nice thing about the bracket is there is a speaker that's built in, and so that gives you some, and it's powerful. It's really loud, so that gives you some nice audio when you're out. The older bracket didn't offer any of this, so the older bracket, all it did was you were able to sit the eye tracker on it. With this now, though, with it being built in, I think having the speaker is a definite huge addition. The other thing that's, I think, really nice is it also has a built-in little bracket there, and that's for seating it up at a position that a user might be able to use it. So if they're at a restaurant and their wheelchair mount isn't going to work because it's hitting the table, they may be able to use this to order their meal or just have a conversation. So I think it's a nice. I think it's really nice as well. You can see there's also a plate on the back that does accept, again, this is reversible, just like I talked about before, so you can have it, one side is daisy, the other side is readapt. You can flip it either way. And the other thing that's built into this is infrared. So having controls over your environment. Again, it has to be infrared, but that also is included in the bracket itself. For pricing, I would point you to, because I don't want to give you the exact wrong price, but I would go to the website for pricing on the iMobile Plus. We do offer packages with or without the Surface. So you can get a package just for the bracket. So if you have a Surface that you've already purchased, which of about $1,000, if you've already done that, then you don't have to necessarily go with our Surface. You just want to make sure that you have the right Surface. So the latest Surface is probably always the best route to go, and not something too many generations away. We do offer, obviously, a package with the Surface as well, so you can get everything just like it is here with software on it as well. So if you needed, if you did need the software package, if you did want the communication package or the communication software, you can get that loaded. Or if you're not in need of that, there's a lot of people that communicate just fine, but they need it for access. That's what this can be used for as well, obviously. So if you get this without the communication package, you can get it with what's called the Windows Control package. It always comes with the Windows Control access, because there's going to be a way to access the device somehow if you're getting the eye tracking, and that's called Windows Control. So they would have the ability to use it via Windows Control, but if they didn't have any speech and they needed that, then you're going to want to make sure you're including Communicator to this, or one of the software packages that we offer. But Communicator is probably the best suited for this one here.